I think one of the reasons I love this program is it's just such a neat opportunity to watch individual leaders take what they learn in the classroom and apply them immediately back out on the job.
When I took the course, I wanted to take it before I sent anyone else there. And because I didn't, a lot of times you get folks that, we're wasting our time. And I agree, some courses are like that. But this course was one of the better courses I've taken, and it's well worth the time.
We have previous employee that participated. I saw their skill go from 0 to 100. Made a huge difference. So I was very excited to learn about leadership in manufacturing.
Whether they're doing Tier 1 or Tier 2 or the entire program, there's takeaways in every single session.
One of the ones that really sticks out is just the email communication, because it's something that we use every day, and it's not something that you just start off knowing exactly what to do.
One of the activities that I probably connected the most was when they were trying to define you type of leadership. I think that opened my mind to see what kind of leadership style I was using. There's a lot of things that I learned that I applied to my job immediately.
4 hours off every other week to take this class, that means something to them. So that builds their engagement. They're motivated, they're excited about it. And it shows they're a future star. So if we pick someone to go to that class, we're investing in them.
Highly recommend it. I think the workforce changing every day. We have different generation in the workplace. If you want to go to the next level, like myself, I was an operator. It gave me the tool to go to the next level. Now I'm a supervisor, so this course will prepare you.
You do have good employees if you give them a chance to actually shine. I've really enjoyed it, and it's opened up a lot of stuff for me.